Everybody, welcome back. I know it's been a while. Been doing quite a bit of work on and off because it's been a little chilly here in Colorado. We've had some warm days, but mostly been a little bit cold. So let's talk about what I've actually done on the car and see what you think. So we're getting it ready for roadworthiness. I have an appointment on April 4th to take the car to the state trooper office where they will check it out. And if they deem it okay, they will start the process on getting a VIN number for it so that I can have a title and registration and drive it on their street. They've said that basically what I get to do is they'll do the inspection. They'll rate it, give me the roadworthiness, and then I can get a permit for a few months while they wait on the title. So one of the things we've had to do is we've had to put in the parking brake system. So basically what we have here is we have an electric ram that goes into a system here. These springs really don't do anything, so I'm going to take them out. And then we've got cables that run to either side of the system here, which is the little parking brake gizzies that we got from Willwood. There's one on each side, so that's why we have two. And what we have to do is we made some brackets and everything for that particular ram, which takes about 12 volts, and then it pulls on these cables, tightening up the parking brake. The nice thing about it is that even if you don't have electricity, if the parking brake's on, it'll stay on. So anyway, I've tested it. I just have to wire it up to the system so that we can actually activate it from the cabin. So I can show it working here. Basically, so that pulls on there. We reverse the polarity of the voltage and it will actually retract, or extend in this case. Now, as you saw last time, we actually got the seat belt in over on the other side. We've done a video on how we did it on this side. So seat belts are already in, rock and roll, tested and everything, and they fit really well. Now we're back in the cabin, and some of the other stuff we've been working on is electrical. So I actually turned the system on. You see a nice little splash screen there on the head unit, and then our dash is booting up, and then we've got these buttons working. So I had to go through and hijack those buttons for various things. You can see here's our dash. Now, one of the cool things that I've actually done with this system is that Tino helped me from LCD Gauges. Again, go over and check out Tino's stuff. It's pretty awesome. But if I put it in reverse, my camera comes up. And so I get my camera from the rear here, and then I get my cameras in the front here. And then if I pull a switch over here, down on this guy right there, I can actually switch between my two cameras, which look at the front of the car, so that I can make sure that I'm not going to destroy the front end. I might change the pointing of the cameras a little bit, just needs a little bit of a shimming, but other than that, it works pretty awesome. And then the next thing is that we also have a switch over here where we can pull these up without putting it in reverse, and we can actually cycle through a menu. And I'll get it to, because I overdid it, and we can open the camera there. And again, so while we're rolling forward, we don't have to have it in reverse. We can go between the two different cameras. So really cool. Love this new feature that Tino put into our little gauge. Everything else is working great. So we're ready to be done with anything to do with the dash and most of the electrical in the interior. We've got the brights working, the headlights, the turn signals. So all of that is working really well. I'm going to work on the parking brake. And then I have to revisit the brakes in the rear. They have, they're a little tight on the discs right now, so it kind of drags. So I'm going to have to reshim the calipers there. But all in all, we've got our deadline of the 4th of April, so hopefully we can hit that. And hopefully the car doesn't fall apart trying to get there. So, so we've got a bit of a punch list to do on that, and hopefully we'll be able to do a video while we go there. So, well, guys, there you have it. Our little update for the car on some of the things we've been doing. You can see there's still snow on the ground here. It's only about 25 degrees today, so hopefully it'll start getting to warm up and we'll be able to bang some more of this stuff out. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do, and we'll see you next time.